Okay, so we'll be continuing from the previous video. Alright, so from here we have already reached h of x by y. Okay, so now what we need to do is h of x by y. Here, as you can see, I can take the value of p common, right? So taking the value of p common, it will be p into alpha log 1 by alpha plus 1 minus alpha log of 1 by 1 minus alpha. Right, this is what I get. So in this case, what is the equation of this alpha log 1 by alpha plus 1 minus alpha log 1 by 1 minus alpha? That is nothing but your h of x, right? That's nothing but h of x. In other words, this is nothing but p into h of x. This is nothing but p into h of x. Because h of x, we already know the equation of h of x, right? Alpha and 1 minus alpha. So which means h of x is equal to alpha log 1 by alpha plus 1 minus alpha log 1 by 1 minus alpha. So therefore you will get this equation. H of x by y is equal to p into h of x. Okay. So we found this. So now I can find my mutual information, right? The equation for mutual information is nothing but I of x by y, sorry, x comma y I of xy is equal to h of x minus h of x by y. Okay, and basically h of x, I am going to write h of x itself minus, and h of x by y is nothing but p into h of x, p into h of x, or in other words h of x into 1 minus p, 1 minus error of probability. 1 minus error probability is nothing but the correct probability, which correct probability means q. So which means I of xy is equal to q into h of x. This is the equation of the mutual information of a binary erasure channel. Okay. So here this is the h of x. Now, how do we find the value of the channel capacity? How do we find the value of the channel capacity? We know the equation for channel capacity, right? And of course, to find the equation of channel capacity, you cannot use this equation, that is log m minus h dash. You cannot use this equation to find the channel capacity, because this equation you can only use when h of x by y or p of x by y is symmetric, but p of x by y is not symmetric. See, it's not symmetric, which means you cannot find the value of channel capacity using this equation log m minus h dash. You cannot use this equation. So what is the equation for channel capacity? We already know that the channel capacity is nothing but the maximum value of the mutual information, right? The maximum value of mutual information, which means the maximum value of q into h of x, right? And we know that q is a constant, which means that it is nothing but the q into the maximum value of h of x, the maximum value of h of x. And when does h of x becomes maximum? When does h of x becomes maximum? When every message is equi-probable. So x has two symbols, right? 0 and 1. X has two symbols, 0, 1. So therefore, total number of transmitted symbol is equal to 2, right? And therefore, this entropy become maximum when the probability of every message becomes 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2, which means the maximum value of h of x, which means the maximum value of h of x is nothing but 1. I will prove that to you. The maximum value of h of x is equal to, is nothing but 1 by 2 log 2 plus 1 by 2 log 2, or in other words it is 2 into 1 by 2 log 2. 2 and 2 will cancel each other. Log 2 is nothing but 1 itself, which means this is basically the maximum value of h of x is equal to 1, or in other words channel capacity is nothing but it is equal to the correct probability q. right? This is the equation. Bits per symbol. Okay, this is the equation.